Hello guys, welcome to Nuer Online YouTube channel. Today we are going to focus on how to get into Facebook Studio. If you are new to my channel and this is your first time, please, I would like you to support me by simply subscribing to my channel. And also do not forget to like, and also you can share it or comment. So this is what we're gonna do. Let's simply imagine you are on Facebook right now. Okay, let me simply scale these things down. Let me come this side. Okay, this is my page. If I click my home page, okay, you are going to see that I'm here on Facebook, but this is my actual page. Okay, so let's simply imagine that you are here. Okay, or if you do not know how to change your profile into a Facebook page, or you do not know how to switch them, this is what you can do. At the right corner right here, at the right corner top right there, you can click this this down arrow stop. So when you click, you are going to see all profile, this one. So simply click that and you can choose whatever you want to do. Okay, so there you go. So after that, you click it, you will be able to come into your page like what you are seeing right here. I want us now to do something here when we want to go to Facebook Studio. Facebook Studio has recently changed how the Facebook Studio look. So they have changed it to Meta Business Suite. So look for a simple this application, I mean the link called Meta Business Suite. You can see right here at the left side of your window. At the left side, you are going to see the name of your page. Mine is Martin, and menu, Ads Manager, Ads Center, Meta Business Suite, Professional Dashboard, Groups, Shortcut, and so on. So what we need here is simply click Meta Business Suite. Okay, so simply click it, and we are going to see the neck face. Okay, let's me move my stuff here. Okay, welcome to Facebook Studio. This is the place where you can manage your content. Content means whatever post you will be posting, text, videos, photos, all of them, they are in the Facebook Studio. So what you're gonna do right now is simply go direct into your page. So the first move that you're gonna do is simply go direct here to this. You can see the icon of my Facebook page, or the image of my Facebook page. So simply click that. So you are going to see the number of the page that you created, that you have on your Facebook profile. Okay, so these are my page. I have many, they are done there. So the next move is click one of these and check the eligibility. So let's simply click one of these. Mine is Martin. I'm not going to change that because this is what I want to use right now. So let's go down here. We have notification, we have planner, and we have content, we have insight, we have inbox, we have monetization, we have art, we have all tools. So they have a different work. What you are seeing, all this link, they have their own particular task that they can perform. But what we are going right now is go direct into monetization, this place right here. Under monetization, we are going to check our Facebook eligibility, or if we have violated any Facebook rules, because there are rules that we can follow. So let's see, like mine right now, I have let's say with monetization issue. You can see here with monetization issues, one page with monetization issue, which means that it might be this page of mine or something else. So we are going to check the detail. We can simply click view page eligibility, this one right here, and this is what you are going to see. If yours is not like mine, you will see that it will say eligibility with the yellow or tick that say approved, if yours is being approved, but mine is not yet. So there are requirements on Facebook that you can follow, and we are going to look at that. So here under this page, this one, the one that we are using right now, we need to go down here. We have all this link right here. We have in-stream ads for on-demand, fund subscription, in-stream ad for live, and so on. So let's look at the first one, which is in-stream ad for on-demand. We are going to see if I'm eligible for monetization or not. Okay, so let's click, and also we are going to see the requirements that Facebook wants us to fulfill. So click that. So here is what we're going to see. follow our policies. They say that this page isn't following our pattern monetization, which means that I'm not eligible right now for Facebook monetization. So remember, monetization is when you want to earn money on Facebook page. If you reach all the requirements, Facebook will allow you to earn money or gain money on your Facebook page. So these are the criteria. The first criteria here is to gain 10,000 followers. The next move is to understand how 10,000 followers work for monetization. You need to reach that level. Without having 10,000 followers on your Facebook page, Facebook will not allow you to be monetized. That is one requirement that you need to fulfill. 10,000 followers. If you already reach 10,000 followers, I'm telling you right now, this thing will be green. It will be ticked. It will be approved by the Facebook. The next move is to understand how eligible minute view work. So Facebook wants you to reach 600,000 on demand. Okay. In the last 60 days, you needed a total of 600,000 on demand live and previously live minutes viewed, including replayed minute, but not including boosted. Okay, remember, boosting got nothing to do with eligible monetization policy for Facebook. Even when you boost your videos and you get a million of views, you are not going to be eligible for this. It will not be considered as one of the requirements to fulfill monetization on Facebook page. So all you gotta do is that just have videos, you upload it, and then you get organic viewers so that you can be monetized. So 600,000, they are on demand. So you need 600,000, okay, minutes, okay, live minute in order for you to be monetized. Okay, so this is different from YouTube. YouTube is 4,000 watch hour, okay, but this is 600,000 videos. 600,000 live minutes that people are going to watch your videos. So these are the important requirements for Facebook page to be monetized on Facebook. So without all these requirements, you are not eligible to be considered as one of the Facebook creators. So you have to fulfill this. So the next move is to get fan subscription. Fan subscription are when the people are subscribing to your page so that they can get content which are not even viewed by all the people that are following you. So this content will be simpler for the people who subscribe to you. So those people who subscribe to you, they are the people who pay money in order to watch your videos. Okay, not like this followers here, not like the content that you can let's say in-stream art right here. In in-stream art, you have to make a video, and that video people will watch it by like it works like YouTube. So on YouTube, when you are being monetized, you can be able to monetize your videos. The same thing goes here. When you monetize a video on Facebook page, Facebook will pay you for number of viewers who view your video. So this is how the Facebook in-stream art work. So, and once again, there is in-stream art for live. Let's say if you are somebody who go on live videos, people will also pay you money. Okay, they can send you a star. They can even ads can also show up when you are monetized on Facebook. So up to here, if you have any critical issue based on what I said here, please try to comment below so that I can get back to you. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel to support me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.